played at high volume.
Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you see the white box. You got Vapormax on the side. You got like an iridescent swoosh on the top of the box. Vapormax on this side. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. What we have is the Nike Air Vapormax Flyknit 2 in Volt, white, and black. Now, these released, I believe, in July, but it was just a pickup that I needed. Now, you can see on the paper you have Vapormax printed multiple times all throughout the paper, but that ain't what we're here for, man. Here it is, the Nike Air Vapormax Flyknit 2.0 in the Volt colorway. Now, I saw a customer come in here and he had these on. I was on the hunt for these things for a minute, man. So I finally got them. So let's see what they're about, man. There's your front view. There's your medial view. That's your medial view. You see your white with your hits of black. You got your 3M strip on the back. Volt all throughout the shoe. You got your 3M on the swoosh. Hey, I think it's dope, man. I'm feeling it. It really looks like a workout shoe to me, or a good summer shoe, you know, but to each his own, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. See on the inside, you got the Volt insole with black Vapormax on the inside. Medial side, you got your small swoosh. Got Vapormax on the tongue. You got your Flyknit running all throughout the shoe. I think it's dope, man. Now, I don't prefer the fit of these, you know, because they kind of irritate me around the ankles. You know what I mean? That little section that they have right around the ankles, it's kind of, it gets to me, especially with me having a wide foot. You know what I'm saying? So, all in all, man, look, I think it's a dope shoe. As you can see, there's a better look at the insole with Vapormax and the swoosh. There's a better look at the tongue, Vapormax. It's a dope shoe, man. You know, now I'm not really a fan of the Volt colorway on a shoe. You know what I mean? But this one kind of grew on me, man. What can I say? I could take my words back, man. This one here, you know, I had to switch it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And go against the grain and do something that I don't usually do. You know, swap it up, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So like I said, man, that was my look at the Air Vapormax Flyknit 2.0. Let me know what y'all think about them, man. You feeling them? You not? Follow us on Instagram at PetlersAir504. Subscribe to the channel, man. Turn your notifications on. Share this video, and I'ma holla back.